Your body is not just bones and flesh. It's actually an energy system. Deep inside you, at the base of your spine, there is a hidden, sleeping power. In ancient Indian yogic traditions, this is called Kundalini. The word Kundalini literally means coiled up, like a snake that is curled up and asleep. This energy lies dormant, waiting to be awakened, and once it awakens, it has the power to transform you from an ordinary human into an extraordinary being. When this energy rises, your entire life, your world, and even your sense of self can completely change. You begin to feel the infinite energy that connects you with the universe itself. So are you ready to explore this mystery? Today we're going to talk about the secret of Kundalini Awakening. But be careful, this knowledge is not for everyone. It only reveals itself to those who are willing to go deep within themselves. What is Kundalini and the chakras? To understand Kundalini, we need to understand the concept of chakras. Chakra means energy center. Think of them as invisible power hubs in your body where life force energy flows. Yogic tradition describes 7 main chakras: root chakra, Muladhara, at the base of the spine, linked to survival and stability; Sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, just below the navel, connected to creativity and emotions; Solar Plexus, Manipura, around the stomach, connected to willpower and confidence; Heart chakra, Anahata, at the chest, connected to love and compassion; Throat chakra, Vishuddha, at the throat, connected to expression and communication; Third eye, Ajna, between the eyebrows, linked to intuition and insight; Crown chakra, Sahasrara, at the top of the head, connected to higher consciousness and oneness with the universe. Kundalini energy rises upward through these chakras. When it finally reaches the crown chakra, people describe a profound sense of spiritual awakening and unity with the cosmos. How does Kundalini awakening happen? This awakening is not an ordinary event. It is a deep spiritual process. It can be triggered by yoga practices, meditation and breathing techniques, pranayama. Sometimes it can even happen spontaneously, without any preparation. Modern science may not be able to measure or dissect Kundalini with instruments, but it can definitely be felt. Think of it this way. You can't see electricity, but you know it's there because the fan or light is working. In the same way, Kundalini is the hidden energy that keeps the body alive and functioning. What does Kundalini awakening feel like? When Kundalini rises, it creates powerful physical and mental experiences, a sensation of warm or cool energy moving upward from the base of the spine, trembling or shaking in the body, almost like an internal earthquake. Many people describe it as if electricity is running through their body. Muscles may twitch or move involuntarily. Yogis call these movements kriyas. Sometimes spontaneous sounds or even a roar-like vibration emerges, which is not fear but simply the sign of inner power being released. Emotional and mental experiences. It's not just physical. Kundalini also impacts your emotions and mind. The mind becomes calm and focused. The body feels lighter and more energized. Old memories and suppressed emotions may surface. Some people see vivid colors, smell unusual fragrances, or hear subtle inner sounds that don't exist in the external world. This is the awakening of the inner senses, beyond the normal 5 senses. Some people also feel pressure or pulsing at the forehead, which is often described as the awakening of the third eye. Why do people fear Kundalini? Because the experiences are so intense, many people get scared. Shaking, vibrations or involuntary movements, sudden waves of emotions, restlessness or sleeplessness. Without understanding, people may mistake this for illness or even madness. But the truth is, these are signs of cleansing. Kundalini is releasing old emotional blockages and negative patterns that have been stored in the body and mind for years. It's not here to harm you, it's here to free you. The fear arises only because this process pushes you out of your old identity and into something new. The true secret of Kundalini awakening. When this energy finally reaches the crown chakra, you feel a profound sense of unity with the universe. Stress, ego, and suffering dissolve. Life fills with joy, clarity, and peace. Intuition and inner wisdom awaken. Many people describe it as tasting liberation while still being alive. This is why ancient yogic texts called it the doorway to ultimate freedom and bliss. So if this energy is awakening within you, don't be afraid. Through meditation, yoga, and mindful living, you can channel it in a safe and powerful way. Remember, Kundalini is not the end, it's a new beginning. It is an invitation from the universe to discover your highest potential. When this energy flows, it transforms you at every level, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. It connects you to your true self and to the infinite energy of creation. So, are you ready to take this leap? In the next video, we'll talk about the common obstacles people face during Kundalini Awakening and how you can overcome them. Namaste.